I'll just say it. I'm an appetizers nigga. I love appetizers. I eat appetizers instead of meals all the goddamn time. And one of my favorites is the stuffed jalapenos. I mean, people have this misconception that it's gonna be spicy right off the bat because it's a jalapeno. But if you take the seeds out, well, let's see. As I thought, the actual heat comes from the stem, keeping the stem in. I'm going to keep the stem in on some of them, not all of them. Besides the cream cheese from this cheese mixture that I'm making right now, it's going to take away a bit of the heat. Like, you can make this as spicy as you want. I just don't have no pussy ass tongue. My spice and heat tolerance is very fucking high.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Alright, I can't eat nothing if it's gonna have me spiced all the way the fuck out to where I can't fucking breathe. So, yeah, some of that is cap. However, as I stated before, this cream cheese mixture is going to counterbalance the spice that is still in the stem of the jalapeno. I mean, I did just add sriracha to it, but I like a little spice. What can I say? Plus, I'm adding sour cream to add a little tang. There's going to be a little hint of it in the cheese mixture that I'm stuffing the jalapeno with. It's going to counterbalance that as well. So, it's not going to be spicy at all. You're just going to taste the jalapeno, which is what I want. Now, you'll hop on YouTube and you'll see a lot of people trying to wrap bacon around each one. I don't have the patience or the time for that. And I don't want my jalapenos to be tasting like nothing but bacon. That's what I feel. And by the time the bacon's cooked through, your jalapeno lost all its integrity and it's mushy. So I don't like that. I put the bacon bits over it. So you get a hint of bacon. It's stuffed jalapenos, not jalapeno bacon wrap, whatever the fuck.